If you're wondering which charger is the best for your Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the Ultra, so in this video, I'll answer this question. Now, of course, to charge your Samsung phone, you should use the original Samsung charger to charge your phone. But each phone in the Galaxy S26 series supports a different charging standard. For example, the Galaxy S26 Ultra supports super fast charging 3.0, while the Galaxy S26 Plus supports super fast charging 2.0, and the Galaxy S26, which I have over here, supports super fast charging. Now, what is the difference between all of these chargers? Now, as I have said earlier, the Galaxy S26 supports super fast charging, which means that this phone supports a maximum of 25 watts of fast charging, while the Galaxy S26 Plus supports super fast charging 2.0, which means that you should use the 45-watt charger from Samsung to charge the Galaxy S26 Plus. And the Ultra supports super fast charging 3.0, which means the Galaxy S26 Ultra supports 60 watts of fast charging. Now, of course, you can use a 25-watt charger or a 45-watt charger to charge the Ultra, and the same goes with the S26 Plus. If you use a charger with a lower wattage, you can still charge your phone, but it will charge at a slower rate. Now, to summarize this video, use Samsung's official charger to charge your Samsung phone, and to charge the Galaxy S26, use a 25-watt charger from Samsung. For the Galaxy S26 Plus, use the 45-watt charger from Samsung. And for the Ultra, use the 60-watt charger from Samsung to charge your phone. And if you use these chargers for each phone, your phone will charge at its maximum charging speed. And of course, you can use a slower charger to charge each phone, but it will just slow down the charging speed. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.